Step number 1, find targeted content ideas using this website. Step number 2, let this done for you software create videos for you. And step number 3, promote affiliate links with your video contents and start getting commissions like this. Today I'm going to show you how I made over $400 a day from affiliate marketing with this done for you software that helps you create YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and even TikTok videos within less than 20 minutes of work. So make sure to watch the video till the end. What's going on, guys? Dave here again. A lot of people ask me how I made over $400 a day selling clickbank offers. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face and without using a camera. There are only two reasons why people don't want to start YouTube. Either they don't want to show their face or they can't come up with things to talk about. Basically, they don't find any content ideas. Guys, it's too hard to create content for YouTube consistently because it takes a lot of effort. But no worries, guys. I'm going to show you how you can create videos for YouTube and other platform using a software that creates automatic video drafts for you. And you just need to use drag and drop features and a simple editing, which is super easy, and you can create YouTube video within less than 20 minutes of work. Just before I show you everything, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that I'll be able to send you a notification whenever I upload new videos. And please hit the like button if you like this type of contents. Alright, let's move on. Now the very first thing you need to do is find a niche, or let's say category. For example, you can choose a niche like food, which is one of the most popular categories, obviously. And my suggestion is to focus mainly on a specific part in the beginning, like food benefits, let's say. If I go to YouTube and type benefits of eating, you can see these bunch of suggestions come up which you can use as your video topics if you're running out of ideas. Or you can go to this free website called answerthepublic.com. Just type your niche here and search. It gives you the content ideas that people are constantly searching for. It shows you the most searched contents and topics, which is really amazing. And guys, with this, you will never run out of ideas. And if you search on YouTube for similar topics, people are getting millions of views and they're making insane amount of money from YouTube ad revenue. And just remember, guys, by promoting affiliate offers with such videos, you can make real money even before your channel gets monetized by YouTube. So channel monetization is not the only way to make money on YouTube. Remember, okay? You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers, or you don't need to have 4,000 watch hours and so on. You can still make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing without even getting paid by YouTube itself. Now, once you choose a niche like food benefits, for example, let's say you can start with benefits of eating garlic. And guys, regarding your video titles, tags, and SEO ranking, you should use tools like TubeBuddy and Morning Fame. These tools help you find the best video topics, tags, and to rank your videos higher in SEO. A tool like Morning Fame allows you to set up a system so that you don't have to work harder, you don't get lost when searching for keywords, tags, and optimizing your video content in terms of search. Believe me, guys, it changes the game for all. It changed the game for me. I will leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up for the Morning Fame and give it a try. Now, once we have targeted our title or targeted our niche here, you just need to go to Google and search, for example, benefits of eating garlic. And you get a ton of results with facts. And we're going to use the facts to create our videos. And guys, remember, facts are not copyright. No matter if you say it or someone else says it, facts are always facts. So there's no copyright issues with facts, as you can see here, although you can always rewrite the sentences. Now we'll just take these couple of facts about benefits of eating garlics from these articles, as you see here. I'm gonna write them down on a Google Docs here with little change in the sentences, just a little changes here. So let's say 8 benefits of eating garlic. You can see we're creating YouTube videos that are more than 60-second longs. However, guys, if you're creating YouTube shorts, it's the same thing. You can just make it shorter, like let's say 4 benefits of eating garlic or something like that. So depends on what kind of videos you're creating, because this platform allows you to create, any types of video that you want to create. Now we're going to use a software called InVideo, which will create a video about benefits of eating garlic for us. InVideo is by far the most advanced video creator software which can help you turn text into videos. You can start by creating a free account, but I have a coupon code down below in this video description. If you use my coupon code, you're gonna get 25% discount on InVideo subscription, which is a lot cheaper than you could ever imagine, guys. And this tool is amazing, and it's worth it, guys. Okay, you can always start with the free subscription. With the free plan, you can create videos, but the videos will have InVideo watermarks, and this will not look professional, guys. Being really honest, I talked about InVideo in my last video as well, but in this video I'm going to go a bit in depth here. Okay, so it definitely does not look professional if you're uploading a video with InVideo watermark. Okay, now once you're at InVideo, what you need to do is you need to choose the option that says text to video, and you have to choose the format for your video. If you're creating a video more than 60 seconds long, then obviously it's a wide format. That's what we're going to select right now. But let's say if you're creating YouTube shorts, then obviously you'll have to choose vertical format here. Depending on what you're doing, okay, you have to select the right format, and just to scroll down, you'll have a bunch of templates to choose from. You can use any of these templates, okay, and start creating your video on them. So let's say I'm going to choose this template over here, and you just need to click on the option that says use this template, and now it's going to bring us to the section where we're going to add our title of the video. Okay, so remember, I've got the facts collected from Google, the articles. Let me go back to the Google's docs here. So I just gave it a little bit more change. I just spin up the word, and so these facts about benefits of eating garlic are here. I just added a couple of sentences over there. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna want to copy this title here, 8 benefits of eating garlic. Guys, this is not complete here. I just didn't want to prolong this video, so I just have like a couple of them added here. Simply copy this title here just like this. Okay, and then go over to InVideo again and add headline. Just paste it over here. We've got our headline here, okay, of the video. So in the body section here, the scene section, go back there and copy everything. Just copy everything from here, okay, just like this, and then go over there and paste everything over here like this. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to make sure that we don't leave any spaces here. It's going to create a draft video for you by adding videos and images just like that. So you just need to click on the option that says next, go over to next. Now it's going to bring us to the editor section here. It will show us our video draft there, and where we can edit the video draft to give it our final touch basically. There it is. Okay, guys, you can see now it has created the scenes for our video. Okay, these are the scenes it created for our video. Okay, pretty much like awesome. Our scene, our video draft is almost ready. Now what we can do here is, I can see that it's got a picture but not basically the picture of the garlic itself. It's not matching. So what you need to do is you need to just use the drag and drop feature and then add the right picture that you want. Okay, and in some cases here, if you scroll down a bit down here, okay, so it can also tell you that if your sentence is too long, then it can say text is too long, split suggested. It basically suggests you to split the text because the text is too long to fit within a scene here. Okay, so in that case, I'll show you how to split it. First of all, let's go ahead and add some pictures here. Let's change the picture. Let me show you how to change the pictures here. Okay, so this one, the main title one, 8 benefits of eating garlic. So what you have to do here, to the left side you've got image and the video. Let's say you're gonna have to go to video section here, okay, and then in the search section you just type, let's say, garlic. Okay, you type garlic and it's gonna bring the results for garlic here. Okay, so yeah, you've got a bunch of garlic results. You do have the free ones as well. Okay, since I have the paid subscription, I can use any of these one here. For example, let's say I'm going to use this first one here. Okay, now what I will do here is I'll select this video here from here. Okay, and then simply drag and drop it over here. Okay, and now we've got the option here that says trim video to fit the scene. We don't need to do anything, guys. You just need to click on the option that says trim video to fit the scene. Okay, and it's going to trim the video automatically there, and you just hit done here at the bottom right corner. Okay, and the video is already added here, and this one looks, obviously this one looks better than the previous one. So similarly, you can do the same thing. You can add the videos, you can add the text. Okay, you can, we've got the advanced editor section here. If you can see here, we'll go there as well. So basically this is what it does here. Okay, InVideo, it's a super cool, super powerful tool. It automatically adds the pictures and the videos, and it just creates a video for you. You just need to finalize the video depending on what you want to add, and what you like and what you don't like, guys. Okay, it's super easy to do this. Literally, like, my 3-year-old kid can even do this. Okay, being honest. So it's too simple. You just need to play around with this tool here. Okay, now go to the bottom here. Now what you can do here is, it says text is too long, split suggested here. In cases like this, if we have too long text, we need to simply split it. To do that, what you need to do is, from where you want to split it, simply put your cursor over there, click on there, and then you have the option here to split the text. Okay, and it just says, do you want to change it, do you want to split it? Just hit OK. Now it's going to split the text automatically here. Okay, so this is what happens, and it's going to select these two pictures automatically here. You can simply play it over here. Basically, it splits those two scenes and plays them one after another. So this is what happens. You can split the text, you can split the text, you can split the scene. If the scene is longer, the text is longer, so it automatically detects and it gives you suggestions like this. Okay, now another important thing that I want you guys to know here is, you can simply highlight the text here. Let's say, for example, here the first point here, improves immunity. So what you can do is, here at the bottom here in the text section, just select these part that you want to highlight, and you can right click, or it automatically comes up there, and select the option that says highlight. Similarly, you can do the same thing for the points that you have there. Let's say the point number 2, and you just select that, helps fight against sickness, and right click over there and click highlight. So the text is highlighted already. So guys, as I said before, things are pretty simple here. It's really cool, and there's nothing much you have to do. Some basic drag and drop, and highlighting and editing things. You don't need to be highly skillful to do this, guys. As I said, it's literally too simple to do. Alright guys, now let's go to the advanced editor section here to the top left. Okay, and we're gonna know how to add voiceover and what are the types of voiceover. Now here, as you can see, the option that says voiceover. From here, you can record your voiceover, you can use automated text to speech, or you can actually import, or let's say upload the voiceover here, audio here, and add the audio from different sources. Let's say YouTube audio library, or you can or you can just pay someone to do the voiceover for your video. Depends on what you want to do. But to make it simple, what I suggest is recording your own voiceover instead of doing automated text to speech. Guys, this doesn't sound good. A machine talking in your video, people don't like to hear that, so it's not human. So if I were you, I would choose the simplest one, recording voiceover myself. If not, of course, you can go over to Fiverr and so on, and then pay someone to do it. Again, if you don't want to pay, obviously the best option is to do record a voiceover, or just leave it with the music that's added automatically by InVideo here. to record your own voiceover, you just need to simply read the text that's here. Okay, you just read the text that's here, and then it's done. So it's pretty simple. Depends on what you want to do, guys. Three options: either you pay for someone to do this, okay, or you add the voiceover yourself, record yourself, okay, or you can use the automated text to speech, which is not the best option. Let me just quickly show you how you can add the voiceover here. Okay, so to add the voiceover, you're gonna have to go to the section voiceover and click on record voiceover. Okay, now you just need to hit record voiceover and you read the text that's gonna come there. Okay, I'll just give you an example. All right. Welcome to my channel. Here are the 8 benefits of eating garlic. Now what you can do is you can simply drag and trim this voiceover that you recorded. Okay, let me just trim it. Welcome to my channel. Here are, and I'll trim it from here as well. Of eating garlic. Welcome. All right, so once you're done with this, you simply need to click on add to the right side here. You can see here, click on add. Okay, now your voiceover is added. It's at the bottom here. You can see it here. This is your voiceover, guys. Okay, now this advanced editor section, apart from adding voiceover, okay, it's got a bunch of other options that you can use here. Let's say, changing the font, changing the color, and you can simply drag this text where you want to put it. Okay, so there are so many options, so many simple features that you can use to make your video even better. Okay, now when you're beginning, make your videos simple, guys. Just do the simple voiceover. Okay, do not overcomplicate. Okay, just script your video, just set a system, okay, and then start creating video just like this. Now once you're done with the video editing here, okay, you just need to go to the top right corner here and hit download and share to download the video. Okay, and the most important part, guys, as I said before, with the free plan you can download it with 720p resolution. Okay, not the best, okay, obviously. So you can upgrade the plan and then you will be able to download it to 1080p resolution. Okay, so guys, the link in the description below, there's a coupon code which will give you the discount, as I said before. Okay, go over to that link, use that coupon code, okay, and then upgrade the plan and you'll be able to download the video with 1080p resolution. So you just select the resolution here and then hit download. It's going to download the video from there. Okay. Alright guys, once you have the video downloaded, let's go to YouTube and upload the video. Now, here are the 4 important things that you need to focus while uploading your video to YouTube. Title, description, tags, and thumbnail. To get the best title and tags or description, you can use TubeBuddy and Morning Fame, as I explained before, okay? And to create a thumbnail, you can use canva.com, which is what I use myself, okay? And you can just go over there and start creating your thumbnail. It's pretty easy to use as well. Let's say for this video, we have 8 benefits of eating garlic as our title, which is obviously a good title. And in the description section, you have to promote affiliate products related to health and fitness, or let's say food niche. A niche that you're picking up basically. So you can go to clickbank.com, digistore24, or any other affiliate marketing platform and get your affiliate links and put the link in the video description here and start uploading your contents. If you follow everything as discussed in this video, I'm pretty sure you can expect the results like mine even within the first month. So just get to this, get it started today. Alright, this is it for this video, but if you want to know more ways to make money online, then you should definitely watch the videos appearing to the left of your screen, guys, and I'll see you there.